Join me as I try to create the ultimate high-protein apple breakfast crumble that's not just tasty but also nutritionist-approved. How to make a nutritious high-protein apple breakfast crumble that's not only tasty but also approved by nutritionists. Finding a breakfast that is both satisfying and nutritious, often resorting to sugary options that leave them feeling sluggish. This is a common problem that I've seen with many of my clients who crave something sweet in the morning but end up feeling guilty afterwards. The truth is, breakfast should be the most important meal of the day, providing us with the energy and nutrients we need to tackle our daily tasks balancing taste and nutrition. One of the biggest misconceptions about breakfast is that it has to be boring or bland to be healthy. But that's not true. With a little creativity, you can create a breakfast that's both delicious and nutritious. And that's exactly what we're going to do today. We're going to make a high-protein apple breakfast crumble that's not only tasty but also packed with nutrients. This recipe is perfect for anyone looking for a healthy breakfast, keep you full and satisfied until lunchtime. The importance of a nutritious breakfast make all the difference in our day. It can improve our mood, increase our energy levels, and even help us make healthier choices of the day. The ingredients needed for recipe to protein sources and health benefits as we prepare the crumble together. The first ingredient we're going to need is rolled oats, which are a great source of fiber and protein. We'll also be using almond flour, which is high in protein and healthy fats. Another key ingredient is Greek yogurt, which provides an extra boost of protein-rich nuts such as almonds and walnuts, which not only add crunch but also provide a good source of healthy fats and protein. As we mix all these ingredients together, you'll start to see how the protein-rich ingredients come together to create a delicious and nutritious breakfast crumble. The combination of rolled oats, almond flour, Greek yogurt, nuts, and granola creates a breakfast that's not only tasty but also packed with nutrients. The moment we pull the crumble out of the oven, showcasing its golden brown topping and delicious aroma, is where we'll emphasize the satisfaction of a healthy breakfast. There's nothing like the feeling of taking a bite of a warm, freshly baked crumble that's not only delicious but also nutritious. The combination of the crunchy topping and the soft, tender apples is a match made in heaven. As we take our first bite, you'll be amazed at how the flavors come together to create a truly delicious breakfast crumble. The sweetness of the apples, the crunch of the nuts, and the warmth of the oats all combine to create a truly satisfying breakfast experience. If you enjoyed this recipe, be sure to check out my other videos for more healthy meal ideas and share your thoughts in the comments below.